Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, we've been having some gorgeous weather. And one of the best things about having nice hot weather is eating ice cream. Do you like to eat ice cream? I sure do. Let's start with a poem. Let's see how many scoops of ice cream we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scoops. That's a big ice cream cone. I had 5 scoops of ice cream, no less, no more. 1 fell off, and that left 4. I had 4 scoops of ice cream, as yummy as could be. 1 fell off, and that left 3. I had 3 scoops of ice cream. Yes, it's true. 1 fell off, and that left 2. I had 2 scoops of ice cream in the melting sun. 1 fell off, and that left 1. I had 1 scoop of ice cream sitting on the cone. I ate it all up, and that left none. Oh, and that ice cream is all gone. But let's put them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoops of ice cream with sprinkles on top. I licked 1 scoop and it went plop. 4 scoops of ice cream with sprinkles on top. I licked 1 scoop and it went plop. 3 scoops of ice cream with sprinkles on top. I licked 1 scoop and it went plop. Oh dear. 2 scoops of ice cream with sprinkles on top. I licked 1 scoop and it went plop. 1 scoop of ice cream with sprinkles on top. I licked that scoop and it went plop. No scoops of ice cream on my cone. I'm still hungry, so I'm going home. Well, I sure hope you don't lose all your scoops of ice cream when you are having some ice cream on a hot day. So today, let's make an ice cream cone. I'm just going to make a little ice cream cone with my cone. Then I want to make mine look like a waffle cone. So I'm just going to add some lines onto it. And then I'm going to put some scoops of ice cream on it. I love strawberry ice cream. And I love orange flavored ice cream. And I love blueberry ice cream. And I'm going to put a cherry on top of my ice cream, because that's always so yummy. And I might want some sprinkles on my ice cream. I just have some glitter glue, but you might have some glitter at home you could use. We all want an ice cream cone, ice cream cone, ice cream cone. We all want an ice cream cone. We'll eat it right away. Oh, that looks so yummy. Whoa, look at those sprinkles. Chocolate is our favorite kind, favorite kind, favorite kind. Chocolate is our favorite kind. We eat it every day. Is that your favorite kind, chocolate? Whoa, look at those sprinkles. Strawberry is my favorite kind, favorite kind, favorite kind. Strawberry is my favorite kind. I'll eat it every day. Oh, lots of sprinkles on that one. Thank you for the ice cream cone, ice cream cone, ice cream cone. Thank you for the ice cream home. It really hit the spot right in my tummy. So there's an easy ice cream cone you could make you can stop at the library and pick this up if you'd like to. I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.